In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer list to Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to bring your customer data into Xero quickly and accurately. Start by opening Xero and heading to your organization's homepage. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage contacts. Before you proceed, it helps to have your customer list ready in a compatible file format, typically a CSV. Keep the file clean and simple. Include a customer name for each row, add emails and addresses if you have them, and avoid duplicates or extra blank columns. If you use unique identifiers for customers, keep those consistent to prevent creating unintended duplicates. At the top of the Xero homepage, look for the navigation labeled Contacts. This is where all your people and organizations live inside Xero. Move your cursor to Contacts and click it to open the Contacts area. Inside Contacts, choose Customers. This focuses the view on the people and businesses you invoice rather than suppliers. It's a helpful way to ensure you're importing into the correct area of your account, especially if you also manage suppliers in Xero. Now, look to the top right of the screen and click the three dots. This opens a small Actions menu that contains options for bulk updates and data management. From that menu, select Import. You're now on the Import page designed specifically for bringing contact information into Xero. On this screen, click Select File to import. Navigate to your prepared customer list on your computer, highlight the file, and choose it. Xero will read the file and get it ready for import. For best results, make sure your column headers are clear and closely match common contact fields such as name, email, address, email, and wife's. Keep dates, if any, in a consistent format, and remove special characters that don't belong in names or codes. If your file includes customers you already have in Xero, double check that their names or unique identifiers match so you update existing records rather than creating new ones. If anything doesn't look right, you can cancel, adjust the file, and try again. Taking a moment to tidy the spreadsheet now helps you avoid cleanup later. Once your file is selected, you're set up for a smooth import process. That's it. Those are the essential clicks to import your customer list into Xero, starting from the home page, moving through contacts and customers, opening the Actions menu, choosing Import, and selecting your file to upload.